Bring the boat and all your toys or workshop tools. This all-brick basement ranch features 3 BDS, 3 full baths. 2-car garage on main level is 22.9 deep and 19.7 wide. Garage in the basement with separate driveway is 27 feet deep and 28.8 wide. All new engineered floors on both levels. Kitchen has an eat-in bay window, ceramic tile, gas stove, refrigerator and pantry. Great room on main level has vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace and drop zone for storage. Formal dining room with tray ceiling. Basement could be an in-law suite with a kitchenette area. Large rec room / bonus, 2 extra rooms could be an office or bedroom, full bath, surround sound wired and separate entrance. Home within multiple offers. Highest and best by 9 p.m. April 3, 2021. Seller response will be by 5 p.m. April 4, 2021. Buyer to verify square feet. Home has some smart features already.